Hi, I'm Chad, and along with Sweet Pea, Rio, Shiloh, and Sparrow, we're known as That Happy Family, a family vlog whose mantra is you gain the most in life by being present in it. For us, that means embracing every opportunity to experience something new together. Next stop, Idaho. Join us as we speed, splash, soar, and saddle up through breathtaking scenery on a summer vacation in the Gem State. The day has arrived. Well, tomorrow. The day will have arrived tomorrow, but we're leaving. We're going to Idaho. Where are we going tomorrow? Idaho.
So excited.
It's morning. Time to wake up. Welcome to Idaho.
Yay!
Every time we say Idaho, you guys have to clap and say yay.
Idaho.
Yay!
This is our first time to Idaho.
I'm really excited.
We're very excited. A lot of the time you forget to just shut off and enjoy everything for what it is. So that's what this trip is about for us, is really just experiencing Idaho in all of its glory. Today, or right now, we're leaving Boise, Idaho, and we're gonna go kayaking. We're gonna find some hot springs. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be fun. Okay, first stop is a place called Banbury Hot Springs. Next stop, we are crossing the road to hit a hot spring. Okay.
Just when you think it couldn't get any better. Here's the waterfall. Do you guys hear
What?
it? Oh my gosh.
What? Did you see it?
I wasn't expecting this, honestly. I was thinking like one waterfall.
You guys having a fun trip so far?
Yeah!
I can't believe it's only been 2 days.
Did you see the Payette sky yet?
So we're leaving Twin Falls. We're now heading to Bear Lake.
Oh my gosh.
You guys see how teal the water is? That's where we're staying.
I was just thinking it was so cool to go in one of those.
Rio, we're staying in one.
Really?
Yes.
I feel like we get to spend more time with our parents when we're on vacation, and we get to do these fun things that we've never done before.
Okay, so this morning we drove to Victor. We're headed to Linn Canyon Ranch, where we're gonna ride horseback, and we're gonna go exploring.
Wait, is this the place?
Yep, we're here.
Buddy is one of the horses. He's a usual horse I rided, and I usually call Buddy the elf. Good boy, good boy.
The highlight of that whole big experience was seeing my kids experiencing it in front of me, seeing them doing something I didn't get to do when I was that age, and experiencing something for the first time. That settled, that resonated.
So there's a little change of plans. The river that we were supposed to float down today is closed due to stormy weather. So instead, we're gonna find a hot spring and go look at some waterfalls. What? It's so beautiful. The kids are having the time of their life. This is radical. We just pulled into a actual real life potato museum.
In Idaho.
What did you hear?
Thunder.
What did it sound like? The moment that I've all been waiting for. We are at Rhodes Skate Park, the legendary Rhodes Skate Park. Shiloh, how was it?
Fun.
Out of 10, how much was it? 100 out of 10? That's a pretty good rating. If you're in Boise, Idaho, and you ride a skateboard, ride your skateboard at Rhodes Park, because it's sick. Where are we?
About now in a mountainous ravine.
Okay, so today we're driving through Idaho City and we're going to a natural hot spring. You think it's gonna be hot? Like hot hot? Next stop, Sparrow, I'll let you intro this. Where are we going?
We're going to a mountain roller coaster.
And does it sound fun or scary?
That's fun.
Oh my gosh, this thing is insane. Shiloh, don't ever forget this moment, buddy. You'll forget when you turn 135?
Yeah.
Don't even, not even then. This road is taking us to mountain biking. Even though I have to wear a helmet, I can't complain. This is pretty cool up here. So after that mountain bike ride, we all got to our new place that we're staying. This room is the most amazing. Let me show you this.
We have a fold-out bed.
Whole living room. Look at these barn doors.
Barn doors, and you walk in.
Look at this master suite.
And then we go over here, there's a balcony.
Oh, and then out here, this view is insane. We're getting out of the room. We're going downstairs, down to the lake, where we're gonna have s'mores. We just got to our location where we're gonna be canoeing, and I think this is gonna be really fun. This is seriously one of my favorite spots on the trip. We're gonna go watch the sunset on the top of a mountain in McCall. We're on our way back to Boise, where we're gonna fly home. We're going whitewater rafting today. Are you ready for this? Yeah? You sure? Go around to mom. Okay, we're paddling up to our first rapid. It's a class 2 rapid, which is what did you say? Whitewater 101. How was that? That was the last event on our to-do list. That's it. Idaho. It's been amazing.
I agree.
We will be back.